This is my definition speech outline. I'd like to introduce my audience members. We have Claude Stamper, Wayne Duckett. I will be putting my outline down as I will not be using it. Many of us have had jobs where we've wondered, does our boss know what they're doing? Or this person is a leader who I would follow into anything. Management is the act or manner of managing or handling by direction or control, and leadership is the ability to inspire confidence and support among the people who are instrumental into achieving the organizational goals. I have gotten my sources from Andrew Dubreen, Essentials of Management, pages 6 through 31, and Andrew Dubreen, Leadership, pages 31 through 61. Management has many main functions and responsibilities that have to be accomplished in order for the job to be done. No matter what kind of business that you are in, there are essential things that must be accomplished in order for the business to be successful. Planning is the primary function of a manager. They must have a goal to where they want the business to be, where they see the successes and the failures, and they know a map of how they're going to get to the end result. Organization and staffing is also very important when it comes to management. You must have the organizational skills to keep your business straight, clean, all of your books and everything in order, but you also must have the foresight to staff properly. You must be able to put the right people in the right position to make sure that you have success within your business. Management is also about control. You must be able to control what happens inside of your business with your employees, your structures, the way you do your business to make sure that the end result is achieved. But the primary goal of the leader, of a manager, is to be a good leader. They must be able to lead their staff into whatever situation may come at them, and with proper planning, organization and staffing, and control, they will be able to achieve their goal. While leadership comes with its own set of characteristics that are imperative in order to be an effective leader. A leader must be self-confident. They must be able to hold their head up and show their staff that they can do the job. They must be able to inspire people, to build their morale, to make them feel that no matter what comes at them, together the goal will be achieved. Humility is a very big part of being a leader. You must be able to admit when you don't know what you're doing, ask for help, be humbled by situations that you have no control over, and be able to progress forward, and your staff will follow. Being enthusiastic and optimistic is a prime leadership quality. You must show your staff that you are happy, that you can get your goals, that you can achieve whatever you need through pep, perk, encouragement, a hug, whatever it takes to get the job done, to make sure that your staff is on board with you. Trustworthiness is the most important thing for a leader. You must be trustworthy. You have to be able to give your word and stand behind it. If someone does not trust what you will say, they will not follow you, and you will be going it alone. Does anybody have any questions?
Yes, what characteristic of leadership would you say is the most important to be successful?
I would have to say again, trustworthiness. As a former manager and a learning leader, I knew that if my staff trusted me, if they believed what I had to say, that they would follow me and we would all be successful in our goals. Any more?
What function of management do you consider your biggest weakness?
Probably organization and staffing. I try to be organized. I try to make sure that everything has got its own place and everything is run properly, and that I do have the right people in place. But there have been times that I have fell short of my goals, that I have not had the right people in the right positions to achieve what we needed to be successful, and I was not as organized as I should have been to be able to meet the demands that were put on me. Management is being able to control your situation, while leadership is the ability to inspire the situation. Thank you.